We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx Imaging. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to clear a paper jam on a Canon imageCLASS D-1550 printer. So just follow these steps and you should be able to clear your jams. Alright, so the first step is to look in your output tray. So with that, the paper is going to come out right here. If you see any paper stuck, go ahead and just gently pull it out and discard. If the output tray is clear, then I would move on to this next step. Alright, so next you want to flip your printer to the back. You'll see a handle here. Just press that and pull this down. Be careful because it's going to be hot in here, but any paper you see right here, if you find any, just gently pull it out and then close the cover securely. Alright, so next step, you want to check under your toner cartridge. So press this, open it here, and then remove the toner. So you just pull up and out. Then you just see the paper here. Be very careful. Anytime you're clearing a jam, pull it up and out gently. But if you can't see any paper in any of those, then I would check in your paper tray. If you see any paper here, definitely want to be super careful because you could damage some parts inside the printer. And you should be good to go. Thanks for watching our video today and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.